example, how individuals are growing along with the company, or how organization is growing along with the individual. So we can correlate or connect both these together. Mujeeb was a young boy, like Suhas, like Niyaz, without a mustache. It was a young boy, teenager, when all of these people they joined, started very humble, got responsibilities. I was remembering the story of, you advertised for we have delegated you to advertise for a designer, and you put it in newspaper, you received a call.
Dilshad's father called me and
made sure that the company is good, his son is going to a good culture, not spoiling their father's culture and all. So that he made sure, and then only he was sent to. So it was this family environment they were just handovering Dilshad to us to take care and to continue the good qualities of that father and that family. And we hope we made them proud. And thank you, Mujeeb, doing all these things. Mujeeb also grown from various positions. Like us, he was also went ahead with delivery vehicles, did the sales coordination job, did the accountant job, did the the branch coordination. Once we started Sharjah operation, Mujeeb was assigned to take care of Sharjah branch. It was a small branch. And then software implementation we started. Munir joined, and the first implementation was tested in Sharjah branch, which Mujeeb took care from there. We had a disaster like a flood in Sharjah branch. Mujeeb was, I remember, you were heading the branch, literally, wet half of the body and taking care of all the stocks. So this is, taking care of the company. That was there right from the beginning, which you all are doing now. As we mentioned, we are bringing few people, remembering few stories. Of course, every one of you have such stories with Hotpack connected with our bottom of our heart. And Mujeeb, thank you, and let us honor Mujeeb for the 15 plus years of service.
He was finding for a job, but even though he was our neighbor, he didn't ask a job to us actually. He was looking outside. And when he came to visit our office in Khabisi, he saw the samples kept on the shelf. And he was asking me, what is the price of this? So I told, this is the price. So at that time, the conversion rate was 1 dirham is equal to 10 rupees. So he was working with a bakery, Dennis. So he knew the price what is selling in Kerala. So he was telling these are too expensive. So he was comparing, he was calculating. So we found that there is a potential of purchasing quality. So that's why we assigned him to assist us, because we both were handling that area, and then Mujeeb taken over that position. Thank you.
You also, Mujeeb. Some of you had.
I'm really sorry, I cannot express my words. I'm not getting the words. This moment I didn't expect here actually. Anyway, thanks. One of the main thing actually, 2005, as Zainika told, 2005 I came here and searching for a job. And evening time I was coming to the Hotpack, or that time Mujeeb Plastic actually. In Al-Khabais area of Orlands, still we have that office. And evening time I was just spending the time, and Niyaz was the only person and sitting there, and he was giving me some the sales and the product details. And we were neighbors before, so we have very good connection. So we can ask anything that time. What is the product and what is the business? Alhamdulillah. After that, they gave me an opportunity to work with us, and as a sales coordination I started. After that, Sharjah branch taken care, and then again came back to head office, purchase coordinator, from there purchase manager, then Alhamdulillah now this position. Anyway, a big thanks to my team and working with me, and colleagues and management. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Thank you, Mujeeb.
For delivering a great job, and I wish all the success further. Thank you.
Congratulations.